Greta, you don't like frosting on your hands? You like cake on the floor better than in your mouth, huh? Whose kiddo are you? You want it off? Okay, thank you. Tastes good. Tastes good. You know,
I think she doesn't like cake.
I think she's not a fan.
Oh, Greta.
It's because she stuffed herself so full of rice and beans, she got no room.
Oh, kid. You gotta learn.
It's your happy birthday cake.
Happy birthday.
Here, want to try a little piece? No. Okay. You all done. That's okay.
All done.
All done. Okay.
All
Okay,
done.
all done. She's definitely all done.
You're done, kid.